The Karnataka minister has actually issued a clarification on his insensitive remark. Do remember responding to media queries over a recent case of a sexual assault on a woman walking home in Bengaluru. Home Minister G. Parameswara had said that he had instructed the city police commissioner to strengthen the police beat system, and he had added that in a big city like this, such incidents do happen. This comment, this remark drew the ire of many. In fact, BJP leaders launched a brutal attack on the Karnataka Home Minister for his reaction to an incident of molestation reported in Bengaluru. In fact, to take you through what he has clarified and said, in fact, he has said that he's apologized. He says, don't want the statement to be twisted. In fact, G. Parameswar's apology has come in after his insensitive remark regarding a sexual assault case. Earlier, he had said incidents like this tend to happen here and there in big cities like this. This remark had actually drawn outrageous responses, even from the BJP. Leaders of opposition in Lok Sabha and former AICC chief Rahul Gandhi was also targeted by the BJP leaders, pointing out that Bengaluru, once considered the startup capital, had now become the capital of lawlessness. Karnataka BJP, in fact, asked, is this the women empowerment that Balak Buddhi Rahul Gandhi promised? These are just the political reactions to this matter so far. But now, an apology coming in from the Karnataka Home Minister and his clarification after his insensitive remark. In fact, responding to media queries over a recent case of sexual assault on a woman walking home in Bengaluru, G. Parameswara had said that while he had instructed the city police commissioner to strengthen the police beat system, he had added that in a big city like this, such incidents do happen. This drew the ire of many, and now he has apologized. In fact, amid outrage over that video in which a man was seen groping a woman on a Bengaluru street before running away, the Karnataka Home Minister's comment added to the public anger. Responding to questions over the shocking video, the minister in charge of law and order had said that such incidents can occur in a big city like Bengaluru. He has now apologized and said that he doesn't want his statement to be twisted. Deepak Bopanna now joins us with the latest update. Deepak, take us through the Home Minister's detailed response.
Well, the Home Minister definitely came under a lot of fire for the statement that he made yesterday. This was about, the sexual assault case and that CCTV footage based on which an FIR has been registered, but the accused has still not been found by the Bengaluru police. He was talking about how he has asked the Commissioner of Bengaluru repeatedly to improve patrolling. And while making all of these statements, towards the end, he says, this is a big city and such incidents do occur. We've seen citizens, women's rights activists, opposition parties all hit out at the Home Minister, saying the Home Minister is supposed to be reassuring women, ensuring that the city is safe for them, instead of making a statement so bizarre that it's a big city and such incidents occur. And we even saw the NCW take cognizance and demand an apology from him. Today, while we asked him that question particularly, he says that his statement should not be twisted. He has always done a lot for the safety of women. He has used a lot of funds, Nirbhaya funds in particular, taken a lot of measures to ensure that the city is much safer. And if anyone has felt bad, especially the women, over his statement, he expresses regret and apologizes, is the statement that has come in from the Karnataka Home Minister. So definitely, yesterday it was NDTV that put out this statement, questioned if it was right. And today we are looking at the Home Minister, in fact, apologizing, understanding that probably it was not in, the right taste. He, however, says that he's not answerable to the opposition party, which is only trying to politicize the matter.
Right. In fact, Deepak, the BJP has hit out at the Siddaramaiah government over this incident, as well as the Home Minister's remarks. Take us through what the BJP has been saying.
Well, Well, BJP, of course, has been time and again hitting out at G. Parmeshwar over law and order, collapse in the city. They've been talking about how women don't feel safe. There have been instances of rape, molestation, burglaries, thefts, robberies, stabbings that have been time and again happening. And this incident gave them yet another opportunity to attack the Home Minister, the policing and the situation of law and order in Karnataka. But his statement, where he in fact mentioned how, it's a big city and such incidents happen, they went on to say that this is, the Home Minister trivializing a serious incident, not being serious enough, and hit out at the government, saying that this is the attitude that lets criminals do what they want and get away with it. Today, we are looking at the apology that has come in from the Karnataka Home Minister. NDTV, of course, putting out that reaction first for our viewers. And yesterday, we did speak to multiple people, women in particular, about what they felt when a Home Minister makes this sort of statement. And we've heard the women in unison say that, they don't expect this from their public elected representatives. They expect more in terms of what they could do to make women feel safe rather than, say things where they feel that the government is helpless in many ways.